very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our beginners solo jive practice routine 2A. So this was from our 4-week course. It's our beginners solo jive intensive 4-week course from spring 2023. Let's make a little start. I'm going to face the front. We had 8 count basic twice. So we had back, step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step. Back, step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step. We then did the single boogie walks forwards. That's the push of the little arch forwards, and forwards, and forwards, and forwards. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the way back, we did the double, 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 double. We then did 6 count basic twice with the right foot. Back, step, trip, full step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step, trip, full step. We then did a back rock and 4 travelling chassis to the front. Back and chassis, 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 chassis. 4 coming back, chassis, 2, 3 and 4, and then we did a back rock and we did a stalking walks for 4 to the corner. Back rock, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step. 4 flicks to the corners, across, 2, 3, 4, and then we crossed the right foot over, pivoted around, did a little unwind, little drop, and some jazz hands. Okay, let's go through that again, slowly. 8 count basic. Back, step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step, back, step, trip, full step. Walk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, doubles, back, 2, 3, 4. Basic on the 6 count. Do it twice. Travelling chassis forwards and back. Triple, 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 triple. Back rock. Point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step. Flick. 2, 3, 4. Cross over, around, finish. Very short summary. Practice routine 2A, it is of a similar difficulty as practice routine 2. So we already have a list of practice routines numbered 1 through to about 6 or 7, and this is 2A. So we have 1A, 2A, 3A and 4A to come from the beginners jive 4-week intensive from spring 2023. Right. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, look at all the links below. If you're already in my website and you're watching this in my video library, thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you all again in the next video. Bye bye.